guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I am doing this pretty grungy smoky eye. I don't know how else to really elaborate on the look except to say that it's grungy, which I think that it kind of is with these eyes. It looks kind of grungy. So yes, I made this video after a suggestion I got from one of my most loyal followers, I would say. So I did this for her and I hope that she enjoys it, and I hope that the rest of you will enjoy this tutorial. So just keep on watching. So as usual, I'm starting off with brows, and I am using the Paradise Pomade Extatic from L'Oreal Paris. Like so, and next I'm going in with the HD Studio Photogenic Concealer from NYX, and I'm just priming my lids with this. Like so, and next I'm going in with the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I think I'm going in with red ochre, and I will be putting this all over my lid. And I'm just grabbing a fluffier brush and I will be blending this out. Next I'm putting a little bit of this color on the brush, and I will be continuing putting this in my crease, or blending it out in my crease. And next I am going in with this inliner from färg. And I will be putting this in my upper waterline. And for mascara I am using the veryme Extendalash Mascara from Oriflame. And next we're moving on to face. So today I am using the Coverage foundation from The Ordinary. Like so, I look like a ghost, and it's nice to know that this is what I look like normally. When it's not summer. Next I'm going back in with the HD Studio Photogenic Concealer from NYX, and I will just be, well, concealing with this. And for powder I am, as usual, going in with the Sheer Finish Loose Powder from Lumene. Really tripping over those words. And next I am going in with the clear eyebrow gel from the Browgal. Now I am going back in with the Modern Renaissance palette and the color red ochre or ochre, and I will be putting this underneath my lower waterline, lower lash line as well. And now I'm going back in with the inliner from färg, and I'm putting it in my lower waterline. And also going back in with the veryme Extendalash Mascara from Oriflame. And for lips, I am going in with the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick. And this is in the color Soft Spoken. Oh my god, I totally forgot about my face. Let's do that now. To finish off my face, I am, as usual, going in with the Infinity palette by Hallberg Cosmetics. And I will be shading using the colors Maffei and Cigar. And for blush, I am going in with the color Andromeda. One. And for highlight, I'm going in with the color Virgio. And for lashes, I will be wearing the Saturday Troublemaker lashes from Stella Makeup. But I will be putting this on off camera as per usual, so I will see you in a little bit. So this, you guys, is the finished look. It is very grungy. It's kind of what we were going for, so I guess that's good. But yeah, I think it turned out pretty okay, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and to leave a comment, because I would love to hear about what you thought about this look, or if you have any suggestions to other looks you want me to make. So yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye!